La 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 oh 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 oh. La 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 oh 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 oh. La 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 oh.
Why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, my, baby? I'm almost breathing, tell me.
Hey guys, it's Ned. So today is April 27 and gabi na. So for now, I'm preparing yung pranks namin. So yan, explain ko lang yung setup. Kasi yung setup namin, tomorrow is birthday ng kapatid ko. So it's April 28, 11th birthday ng little sister namin. And may plano kaming surprise sa kanya, pero it's actually on Saturday pa, para saktong family day talaga, and wala kaming any online classes. So tomorrow yung actual birthday niya, to erase her, siguro, hope na isusurprise siya. Isusurprise na namin siya sa actual birthday niya tomorrow, and it's a simple surprise. Like, kumuha ko dun sa binili kong sets ng balloon, 100 pieces kasi yan, tapos kumuha kong onte, kunyari lang eme bumili lang sa labas, tapos gagawa akong kunyaring banner, tapos may mini cake kaming binili. Tapos, ang hindi niya alam, i-convince namin siya na sa Saturday, ang isusurprise is si Gio. Kasi si Gio, May 4 na ang birthday. Sa Saturday, May 1 na nun. So, para maalis sa isip niya na baka siya yung isurprise. So, yun, dahil bata yun, madali lang ultuin. So, I'll see you tomorrow. Pag-surprise na namin siya pag gising niya. Bye!
La 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 oh 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 oh.
Bagong isip pa tayo, video.
Login mo si Bea. So, hi guys! Halata naman kakagising lang namin. So, successful ang umiyak agad siya.
Bea, 6 yan. Dapat to happy.
Bea, happy birthday! So, hi guys, I am still in class, so change of plans. Dahil medyo si Bea nagiging fishy, but wala siyang regalo sa birthday niya. Kasi niloko namin, kunyari wala pa kami nabili. At hindi siya matahimik, so feel ko mag-expect yung lalo na isa-surprise siya. So, change of plan, I will give her the bracelet na part ng gift ko. Yun lang ibibigay ko kasi ang dami kong gifts na binili. Para kahit paano matahimik na siya na may regalo ako sa kanya. So, let's see. So, guys, tapos na yung class ko and binanat ko na siya dito. Nandito yung bracelet and sinuot ko yung partner niya para mapansin niya na partner kami na accessories. So, let's go!
La 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 oh 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 oh.
Hey guys, and I'm back. So today is April 29, so it's already Thursday. Sorry, gabi na 9:14, kaya I have my skincare all over my face and I have this and all that. So yun, ngayon, dahil nga sa Saturday, mag-surprise kami, binabalot ko na yung mga gifts ni Bea. So may mga few akong binili sa Shopee. Puro Shopee din naman sa Lazada. Medyo puro kakigaya ng mga gifts yung binili ko sa kanya, like sedan, mga damit. So, ngayon, magbabalot ako. So, yun, na-convince namin na si Bea na isusurprise talaga namin si Gio sa Sabado. Nag-plot lang pa kami kanina, kunyari. So, she was already convinced. Now, I'm trying to make balot. Now, I have to find some new boxes.
La 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 oh 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 oh. La 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 oh 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 oh. La 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 oh 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 oh. La 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 oh 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 oh. Hit the road in my drop car. This when you didn't hit me on my phone. I saw you walking, so I pulled up beside you to see if you needed a ride home. Haven't thought about the night before. La 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 oh 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 oh. La 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 oh 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 oh. La 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 oh 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 oh. La 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 la
and I'm back. So today is April 30 and tomorrow na yung surprise. So ngayon tinatapos ko lang yung pagbalot ng gifts and so far these are all the gifts na ilalagay ko doon. So ayan siya lahat. Diba kala nyo Pasko na sa dami nung binili ko sa kanya. Puro sa Shopee ko lang yan binili and usually yung mga kakikaya nilang sarili like girly things like I have few clothes there. Hair accessories, jewelries, and also sandals. So, yun lang usually mga ano. Lahat naman magagamit niya. So, sana paiyak natin siya tomorrow. See you! So, we just finalized the plan kanina. So, convinced na si Bea na talaga si Carlo yung surprise kasi she's now planning kung paano niya gawin yung banner niya. So, good sign yun para hindi niya talaga maisip na siya yung surprise. So, let's wait tomorrow. I really hope na okay yung execution namin. So, fast forward for tomorrow. See you!
La 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 oh 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 oh.
So, hi guys! Wala pa rin siyang idea. And, normal kasi sa kanya na inaayusan ko siya. So, wala lang sa amin ito. Naayusan ko lang siya ng hair. Mamaya.
Boy, no stealing.
Yan. After niyan, may-makeupan ko na siya para...
Ayun, that much.
Ano ba, Papa?
Ayan, she looks really pretty. Ayusan ko lang siya later. So, we're done. So, guys, update. It's already 9:42 and 10 a.m. Magsa-start na kami sa plan namin, which is, kunyari dito sila nag-ayos or actually nagde-decorate na kami. So, yun ang gagawin namin for today. And we have to start it. So, nag-ayos na ako and all. Hindi masyado napansin ni Bea ba't siya nag-ayos. So, na-explain ko na kung paano yung execution. And I hope she'll do well. You'll cry later. Wait lang. Huwag mo na saglit. Ang lapad pala. Nag-enjoy ako. Sige nga, doon ka sa end ng wall. Doon ka sa end. So yun guys, update. Ayan na. Tatay ko kanina pa umakanta. And we're done decorating. And now, mag-a-attempt na kami surprise si Bea. Ibang stuff. Okay, handa na natin.
Dapat sarado kayo gano'n?
Oo, sarado muna. Sarado.
Yan.
Oy, ito na si Gio.
Kaya Gio.
Kuya Gio.
Oh. Kaya Gio.
Nasi Kuya Gio. Yan. 1, 2, 3, game. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Uy, ang galing na ito. Sino nakaisip na ito?
Ha?
Ikaw? Wish ka muna.
Wish.
Wish ka muna. Wish.
Diego. Hi, Carlo.
Bea,
Solo
Bea.
flight ka dyan, ha?
Ha?
Solo flight ka dyan.
Ikaw, Mar. Yay!
Yay! Happy
birthday!
to you!
Wala kang gift, di ba? Kala mo konti gift? Ayan, o. Dami mong
Lahat
gift,
yan
o.
sa'yo. Pinili ko.
Ate, madami. Ano? Wala kang gift? Dami yun.
Happy birthday nito.
Group hug, group hug, group hug.
Group hug, group hug.
Group hug. Group hug. Team Tracy, happy birthday! Yay! Wow! Yay! Ano yan?
Tatlong bagong damit.
Damit? Ano yan?
Damit yan.
Yay! Bag! Wow!
Nagaganto yan, oh.
Bag! Yay!
Yan, may
Shorts!
bago ka na shorts.
Another headband! Wow! Yay! Shoes! Kaso lang parang
Kasha nga sa akin to eh. Kali!
dami na si Rami mo kika. Ay, Nigo! Wag! Wag! Mahirap yung putukin!
Ayun yung last gift.
Ano masasabi mo sa birthday gift? Kain na muna, kain. Kaya? Kain na muna.
Ang dami ko na gastos.
It's party.
Kapit ang mami malitaw. Bakit hindi niya? Ikaw yun ah.
So hi guys, naglalakad kami ngayon papunta na Papa. Bibigay lang ng pa-birthday food. Kasi limited ang social gathering. So, yeah. Tuwan-tuwa kasi kung saan yung binili kong gown sa kanya, it's really nice. Mukbang! Kain!
Ito ba? Lagi yan.
Everything has changed. I'll take him down, open up the door for you. Come back and tell me why I'm feeling like I missed you all this time. You make me dead tonight.
Hindi ko pa gano'n alam
You know that it's not all in my mind.
Tunungan ko si ate. Gusto nga. Hindi siya.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid, Tony Prince. I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid, Tony Princess.
Cinematic daw.
Did you let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder.
Unbelievable sight, indescribable feeling, soaring, tumbling, free-wheeling through an endless diamond sky. A whole new world.
Don't you dare close your eyes. Hold your breath if it's better.
I'm like a shooting star. I can't go back to where I used to be. Every time
stand beside you. Want so much to give you. In my heart that I'm feeling for you.
Then I'm saying we're crazy. Don't care about that. Put your hand in my hand, baby. Don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Maybe we can make it if we're heart to heart. All I want to do is hold you forever, forever and ever. And we can do everything together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Oh, I'll break and break away. I'll spread my wings and I'll learn how to fly. I'll do what it takes till I touch this.
Hi guys, update. So, wala na akong makeup, wala na akong ayos. Kanina medyo hilo na ako kaya hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog. And then yan, suko na lahat. Kami na lang natira. And it's already 6 p.m. Hey guys, and I'm back. So yun, ngayon anong oras na, gabi na. And actually, tapos na kami mag-celebrate. Sila mami, bagsak na agad. Kasi actually, galing pa silang work. Tapos night shift pa kasi sila. Kaya gets namin kung bakit nauna sila nakatulog. So yun, I'm having my late dinner lang. And then, tapos na. So yun, nakakapagod sobrang araw, no? And yun guys, I hope na nag-enjoy kayo na panoorin na i-surprise ko yung little sister ko. And I hope that you will give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down there. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, everyone. And don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts for you to be more updated with my videos, with my everyday chicas or what. So that's it for today's video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, lovies. Stay safe.